Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to Joy Tales at Little Steps. Leo versus Mumba. One day, Aya was having a nice shower with Coco's baby elephant, Chico. Having a fresh bath riverside was a routine for them. But they were unaware that someone was keeping an eye on them. Coco thought that with Mumba by his side and the new teams in the jungle, there was no danger left. But they had all forgotten about Mumba's long-time rival, Leo. Leo was a very old enemy of Mumba and every animal who was in Mumba's team. He always thought that Mumba was too good to be the king of the jungle. Leo was smart. He decided to observe Aya's daily routine and find out a perfect time to attack. And he did find one. Right after the river bath, Chico would lift Aya and they would walk alone to reach home. It was a good 10-minute walk, and that was a good chance for Leo to attack. As they started walking towards home, Aya was playfully sitting on Chico's back. Chico was yet a baby elephant, and Leo thought he can easily overpower him. He hid a little away in the bushes and waited for Chico to come closer. He watched as Chico walked towards the bush. Leo must make sure he made no noise at all, or someone would send out an alert for help. Just when Chico was getting closer with each step, Peru the parrot noticed Leo and immediately flew towards Mumba's den to alert him. Meanwhile, Chico got a glimpse of Leo. He felt scared, but he decided not to react and run. Rather, he stopped at his place and made a low rumbling sound, which was how he communicated with his father Coco. Leo did not know that an elephant's low rumble can be heard by another elephant up till 6 miles away. Soon, Coco heard this and realized Chico was asking for help. Leo was waiting but could not have more patience. He moved out of the bush and ran towards Chico. Chico was not quite far from the river and he knew water would break Leo's speed. So he ran towards the river, being careful that Aya doesn't fall off. Now Chico was quite deep in the river. He could not go deeper or he would drown with Aya. With his trunk, he kept throwing water on Leo and kept trumpeting for help. Leo was getting closer, and just when Chico thought it's over, Mumba came running from the other side. Peru had been successful in passing the message on time. Mumba roared to warn Leo. Leo was not scared. He growled back at Mumba. Meanwhile, Coco helped Chico and Aya out of the river to a safe place aside. Both Mumba and Leo were facing each other, looking into each other's eyes without blinking, as if warning not to move ahead. Mumba roared once again to give Leo a chance to back off and move out without a fight. But Leo was angry as he had missed his chance with Aya. He pounced on Mumba and Mumba pounced back. They gave a good fight for a few seconds, but soon Leo realized that fighting with a lion would kill him, and so he decided to leave. He leapt backwards and started to run, but now he had challenged Mumba. Mumba was in rage and ran behind Leo. Leo knew he was being chased, but just like the strength of a lion, there is no match for a leopard's speed. Leo ran as fast as he could and climbed a tree.